All right, dear friends, so we're going to look at how to delete some of these pesky extra pestañas here that have appeared. So let's say if you look at week 4, you have week 4 emailing, and then week 4 emailing shows up again. So you can click on the second one and delete. Keep it that way. All right, so now when you click on emailing, this suggested activities shows up, and in here you just have the day, like this once. The suggested activities in Sikua was supposed to be only for teacher eyes, not for student eyes. So what I might suggest, you could, for example, change the name, because it's not really, it suggested activities when I was telling teachers what they should do, but you could change it to, for example, this, week's schedule, for example, or just schedule. And then it's like not suggested activities, it's just, or you could say activities, whatever you want, okay? Another thing is, in here, when you click on an activity, you can see that this Uniandes sort of banner ended up absolutely huge for some reason. You can also, we'll fix that a futuro, but you can also just go in and edit. And I mean, you can make it smaller or even delete. We will, you know, as you wish, you can write in there. Okay, now if you delete one of these little pestañas and you want to add another one, so let's say you go here to this week's schedule, you can go to create a new and HTML document. So we'll call it like a test pestaña. Here are some instructions, like this. Save. And then you'll see that we created here under week 4, and it shows up here under that particular week. But of course we don't want that, so you can delete it as well.